Welcome to Math, Science and Me. We are going to study a reflection of the point on the x-axis. Reflection is nothing but producing an image. Let's take an example and explain this concept. That is P is equal to 2, 3. Let's see what is its reflection on the x-axis. Let's point this point. 2 is equal to P is equal to 2, 3. Okay, reflection of P is nothing but P dash, that is here, that is 2, minus 3. P dash is 2, minus 3, that is reflection of P is 2, minus 3. Here x-axis is same and y-axis is different. Let's take another example. Q is equal to minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4. The point is here now, Q minus 5, minus 4. Let's see the reflection of this in x-axis. That is Q is that is nothing but minus 5, plus 4. That is minus 5, plus 4. Q dash is minus 5, plus 4. It is very easy to remember. Reflection of the point on the x-axis is nothing but keep the x-coordinate constant, change the y-coordinate. You have to keep the x-coordinate constant here, change the y-coordinate. Okay. Let's go for one more concept, that is called reflection of point on the y-axis. Here, reflection of the point on the y-axis. Okay. Here, let us take an example. A is equal to 2, 3. A is equal to 2, 3. 2, 3 is this one. Okay. What is its reflection on the y-axis is nothing but minus 2, 3. A dash is equal to minus 2, 3. Here we have to keep y coordinate constant, that is 3, 3 constant. Here we have to change the x coordinate. 2 is changed to minus 2. Let us see reflection of the line on x-axis. Now we have a MN line. The point of M is 2, 3. Let us mark that point, that is 2, 3. And N is equal to 5, 6. N is equal to 5, 6. 5, 6. Okay. Join this line. Okay. Now this is your MN. Let us see what is the reflection of this on x-axis. Very easy. First find the reflection of M. Reflection of M is nothing but 2, 3 changes to minus 2, minus 3. 2, minus 3, that is this point. This is called M dash. And let's find a reflection of N on the x-axis. 5, 6 changes to 5, minus 6. 5, minus 6, that is this point. 5, minus 6, that is N dash. Join these two points. You will get a line. This line, this M dash N dash is a reflection of Mn in the x on the x-axis. Okay. Let's see the reflection of line on the y-axis. Let's take 2 points. M is equal to minus 3, 2. M is equal to minus 3, 2. That is this point. Minus 3, 2. N is equal to 2, 7. N is equal to 2, 7. 2, 7 over here. Okay. Let's join these points and we'll get a line. Okay. Now, what is the reflection of this on the y-axis? Okay. Y-axis means what? X coordinate changes, right? Minus 3, 2 becomes 3, 2. Let's see what is the point. What is the reflection of M on the y-axis? Minus 3, 3 becomes plus 3, 2. That is here plus 3, 2. 3, 2, and this was 2, 7. 2, 7 becomes minus 2, 7. That is minus 2, 7. That is here. Okay, minus 2, 7. Okay, now let's join these points. You have to join with the scale. I am using the freehand, but you have to join with the scale. That is M dash N dash is a reflection of Mn. Okay. Now let us see reflection of some polygon. Let us take an example of triangle. We have 3 points here. J is equal to 2, 5, K is equal to 6, 1, and L is equal to minus 3, minus 4. Let's plot these points. Okay, 2, minus 5. 2, minus 5 is here. 2, minus 5. Okay, similarly 6, minus 1. 6, minus 1. This is the point. 6, minus 1. This is your J, K, and L. L is minus 3, minus 4, minus 3. That is this point. Minus 4, minus 3. Okay, let's join these points. Okay, now we have to find out reflection of this triangle on x-axis. Okay, That is nothing but you have to find the reflection of all 3 points on the x-axis. Let us find the reflection of 6 comma minus 1 on the x-axis is nothing but minus 6 comma plus 1. That is 6 comma plus 1 is this point. 6 comma plus 1, that is this point, and this point is k dash. Okay, next this is j, 2 comma minus 5. The reflection of this point on the x-axis is nothing but 2 comma plus 5. Where is 2 comma plus 5? 2 comma plus 5. Okay, 2 comma plus 5, and this point is j dash. Okay, similarly we have to find out, this is what L, reflection of L, that is minus 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 3. Reflection of this on the x-axis is nothing but minus 4 comma plus 3, minus 4 comma plus 3, minus 4 comma plus 3. Okay, now you got the reflection of polygons on the x-axis. Please join all these points with the scale, not with the free hand. Okay, thank you. If you find this video informative, please do like, subscribe and share.